Hi natural hair lovers, this is Ivy's mom. Welcome back to my channel. As always, I bring you DIYs, tricks, tips that will help in your natural hair journey. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to make neem tea for your body and also for your hair. Just in case you do not know, this leaf is also called dogoyaro in some parts of Nigeria. Before we go into the making of this video, let's quickly take a look at the benefits of neem tea for our hair. First, it fights dandruff and scalp infections, and neem is a natural antifungal and antibacterial leaf. Drinking the tea will help to detoxify your system from within. It also reduces hair shedding in the sense that neem supports better circulation and scalp health. It promotes hair growth. It also contains nutrients that helps to nourish the hair follicles. Another thing it does is it's helpful for people with eczema, psoriasis, even seborrheic dermatitis on the scalp. It improves scalp's pH. When used as a rinse, it helps to restore balance to an irritated or oily scalp. So if you have an oily scalp, neem tea is your best bet. You might be wondering, how about the benefits of this neem tea for our body? Don't worry, I got you. Neem tea will help to eliminate toxins, improving your skin and also reducing acne or even breakouts. For those of you that suffer from acne and you have impurities in your body, safe to say neem tea will help to purify the blood. It also boosts immunity. It's antiviral and antibacterial. Just in case you always suffer from bloated stomach, indigestion, neem tea will help to improve all of this for you. Another thing it does is it supports our liver function. It acts as a natural liver cleanser, because as you take this, your system is being detoxified. It regulates blood sugar. Traditionally, it's used to help maintain healthy blood sugar levels for those people who are suffering from diabetes, high sugar level, and what have you. Lastly, it also helps to fight parasites and inflammation. It can help to get rid of intestinal worms and reduce inflammation all through our body system. So this is our neem tea. You just allow it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes and the juice, the nutrient is completely released in the water. Do well to subscribe if you've watched this video till this moment. Share, like and comment. Do not forget to turn on your notification button so you get to receive our videos as soon as they're released. Please note that this tea is not recommended for children and even pregnant women. The reason it's not recommended for children is because children and babies, they have developing livers and this neem tea could overwhelm their system. And for pregnant women, it could stimulate the uterus, which can increase the risk of miscarriage or early labor. I also learned that neem tea could be used as a natural contraceptive. Well, I do not know about that. Mommies in the house, you can tell us if you are aware of this. To use this neem tea effectively on your hair, what you need to do is let it cool completely. After you shampoo on your hair, you pour the tea on your hair as a final rinse. Massage gently or leave it in. Even you can rinse it out after 5 to 10 minutes. Use once in a week to keep dandruff, itchiness and scalp buildup under control. Please note that this drink is very bitter. You can add lemon or even honey to improve taste if you so desire. So if you want to drink it, you drink it when it's warm, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning. Have you ever used neem tea before for any purpose? Please do well to comment below, because people will be waiting to read from you and also to learn. No knowledge is wasted. If you know of other ways to use neem tea, also comment. We will want to read from you. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks again for always supporting. Bye.